Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Jane April Sayago Portrias, and these are the critical rule of measurements and vectors in marine biology research essay. Marine biology is the scientific study of marine organisms, their behaviors and interaction with the environment. This field is interdisciplinary, requiring knowledge from various scientific domains, including mathematics, chemistry, physics, ecology, and biology. Mathematical concepts like measurements, error analysis, and vector addition play crucial roles in conducting accurate and meaningful marine biological research. In marine biology, precise measurements are vital of understanding the various factors that influence marine ecosystem. Measurement can range from physical parameters like temperature of water, salinity, and pH levels, to biological metrics such as species population, density, growth rates, and biomass. Accurate measurements allow marine biologists to monitor changes in the environmental, assess the health of marine species, and understand the dynamics of marine populations. Error analysis is a critical component of marine biology, as it helps researchers quantify the uncertainty in their measurement and ensure the reliability of their data. In the context of fieldwork, where variables such as weather condition and equipment limitation can introduce errors, understanding and minimizing these errors is essential. Vector addition is another mathematical concept that is widely used in marine biology, particularly is the study of the ocean, currents, animal movement, and the distribution of nutrients in the water ocean. Currents represented as vector with both magnitude and direction. By adding the vectors, marine biologists can predict the movement of water masses and the dispersion of organisms or populations. In conclusion, the application of mathematical concepts such as measurements, error analysis, and vector addition is integral to the study of marine biology. Enable marine biologists to collect accurate data, understand complex marine systems, and make informed decisions and contribute of the conservation and management of marine resources. Thank you, ma'am.